Hello. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to enter SLO data at the course level into eLumen. There are several ways to get to eLumen, but probably the quickest way is using the Lancer Point link on the home page. Click Lancer Point Login, or maybe you have it bookmarked, but in any case, once you get in, you can click on the Faculty tab and then the Submit Your SLOs eLumen button, kind of in the middle-ish of the page. And you more than likely will log in and see faculty. And I'm going to select spring of 2014 because the current semester isn't ready for data just yet. But when I select spring of 2014, what I get is a list of the courses that I taught in spring, together with all of the SLO assessments that are ready to receive data. To enter data for a particular SLO, simply click on the blue icon in that row. You notice the pop-up alt text says Score Students on Scorecard View. There's another option, Score Students on Rubric View. And that one gives you the rubric, but you have to go through student by student. The more direct way is the scorecard view. If you find you've clicked one you didn't want, then this button here will allow you to switch between the two views. You notice this is my list of students, which is covered up for obvious reasons. And I can simply click on a score, but I have to go through student by student. I'd rather do scorecard view. And to enter the data, you just click on the number that corresponds to what the student earned. If a student didn't assess or drop the class or something, you click the NA option. And once you're done entering all the scores in for your students, you should click Save and Continue to Action Plan, where you can enter text that will allow the department to compile their annual assessment report. You're basically asked to explain what you use to get the data, just briefly. Tests on my exams requiring students to solve equations, or a term paper requiring blah, blah, blah. Then your personal reflections, the validity and reliability of the data you collected, suggestions for improving the process. Maybe the SLO needs revision, the assessment tool needs revision, the rubric needs some tweaking, whatever, just your impressions there, and how you can improve student performance in future rounds. And then click Submit. Oh, it won't let me do this until I've entered text into every box. So let me go ahead and do that. And once I've done that, I can click Submit. It is saved successfully, and when I go back to spring of 2014 in my list of courses, I think I had selected SLO2. I see right here 7 of 38 students were scored just now. And that's how you enter data into eLumen. If you need any assistance with any of this, please use the contact information below.